Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to add a new domain in Hostinger. So let us get in. The first thing you want to do is log into your hPanel, and that's hpanel.hostinger.com, and you want to jump over to the top of your page and click on domains. Now from here you will see on the left hand side you can get a new domain, and this literally allows you to first of all find a new domain. So let's just say how to harbor, and we are going to use the .net, and then you can click on search. Now what happens is they give you the availability status of the exact extension and website domain that you've entered in here. They give you a price, and then they also give you some AI generated alternatives. They give you quite a few there, and then they also give you the pricing with different extensions. So if you don't want to do this, what we want to do, we're going to go back to domains, and on the right hand side you can transfer an existing domain, and this means that you already own the domain and you want to transfer it into Hostinger. Now on the bottom here you're going to type in your domain name. Okay, now once you've typed in the domain name, we're going to jump into the place that you purchased the domain from. It could have been Namecheap, it could have been GoDaddy, but I'm going to show you Namecheap and GoDaddy. I'm going to show you the steps to get to where you need to be. So from Namecheap you must be logged in, and over on the right hand side you're going to look for account and dashboard, and you're going to look for domain list on the left hand side. Okay, so there are no domains in here. And then I'm going to show you in GoDaddy what this should look like. So jumping into GoDaddy, this is my home page, all my products that I've purchased from them. And if you go down, you'll see a domain window over here, and you're going to tap on DNS. All right. Now on the left hand side, you will tap on DNS again, and you will see right over here, it says name servers. Now in Namecheap, you're going to look for the same thing once your domain has jumped up over here. And this name server, as you can see, it is this one and this one. Okay, you're going to go ahead and say change name servers. And here you're going to say I'll use my own name servers. And you're going to go back in here. And once you've entered this domain, it'll give you its current name servers. What you're going to do is just copy your current name servers from here. You're going to put it in over here, name server 1, name server 2, and you're going to tap on save, and this now will be transferred to your Hostinger account. Now if this was helpful, drop us a like. If you have any questions, please do leave it in the comment section below. We would love to hear from you, and we will see you in another video. Cheers for now.